this is the complete architecture of TIPCO Spotfire service. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. What we'll do is we'll try to install this these things. Okay. It's complete architecture. This is the job of an administrator. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
He needs to install the database. The database is nothing but an internal database to the Spotfire server. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. This is the TIPCO Spotfire server. Okay.
Hmm.
This is the client where all the developers will install this client. Okay, to develop the reports. Okay, they'll install the client and they'll connect to the server. Okay, they'll create the reports and they'll save the reports into this database. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Once the report is saved, they'll get one URL will be generated. Okay. Okay. That URL is nothing but a web player URL. Okay. Okay. If web player is installed in any one of the centralized machine, it is same as a Spotfire server. It is called web player server. Okay. Okay. The main use of web player server is if anybody install this, not anybody, it will be centralized one. Okay. If administrator is installed this one in any one of the centralized machine. Okay. Okay. If you see for every report you will get one URL. Okay. That is called as web player URL for the report. Okay. If we give that URL to the end user, to any one of the users, they can directly open the report in web browsers. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Got it, Shailesh? Any doubt?
Yeah. This web player, this needs to be onto the TIPCO Spotfire server, right? Not on the client side.
Not with the TIPCO Spotfire server. Okay. What we'll do is, so due to performance issues, we'll install the Spotfire server and web player server in different machines.
Okay.
Which are in the same network.
Okay.
Okay. But now we are going to install it in the same machine. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Got it, Salih?
Yeah. Lokesh, before that, how are we going to how I as I said, I spoke to Mani, and 2 hours daily, except Friday, Thursday and Sunday. So 10 days I need to complete the things. 20-hour session, right? So I'm planning to complete it in 10 days. So how are we going to do it? If you can publish not today, if tomorrow you can publish the day wise, how and what we gonna what you're going to teach in that particular session. So that will be helpful for me and as well as you also to track what is complete and what is not complete.
Yeah, sure. I'll prepare the tracker then. Because for you separately, I need to prepare the tracker. Okay, I'll prepare that. Okay.
Okay, thank you so
much. Salish, but sorry, this weekend I may not be available. I'm going to my hometown.
Okay, no problem. See, that's what I said Thursday, except because Thursday I'll have meeting with offshore, so Thursday is not possible. So I thought Saturday also, but then Saturday you are not available, so no problem there. We'll take it on Monday then.
Yeah, your Monday onwards, we'll take it regular classes.
Okay.
That's not a problem. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And tomorrow I think you may not be available, right?
Tomorrow I'm not available. Friday I'll be available. So Friday you are not available, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Only this week. From other weeks I'll be completely available. Okay.
Okay. No problem. Yeah.
Okay. Salish, what we'll do is I just start today with the development classes, Salish. Okay. These things we'll do it on Monday. Okay. Installation. Okay. In the meanwhile, I'll share you after end of this class. Just please ping me your mail ID. I'll share you all the softwares with you. If you keep it ready by Monday, right, we'll start the installation. Okay?
Okay, that's fine.
Today, I'll show you the development classes, which are very important. Okay? Okay, how to access the report. Okay, all these things I'll show you. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. You got it, right? Architecture, complete architecture.
Yes. Yeah, I got
this automation services is the main use of automation services is Salish. Normally, for suppose we have any external database, whether it's an Oracle or SQL, anything. Okay. So what client will do is will connect to the database. He'll pull the data. Okay. He'll create the report. He'll save the report into the internal database. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, see, once the report is saved into the internal database, as the report is linked to the external database, when any end user opens the report, it will take time, right? For suppose 1 million rows of data is there. Every time it will connect, server will connect to the external database, it will pull 1 million rows of data. Okay,
Yes.
see, to pull 1 million rows of data, every time it will link to the database, it will read each and every row of data. It will take some time, right? Okay.
Yes.
Instead of that, what settings here developer will do is he'll embed the data. Embed the data in the sense like embedded data will broke the link between the external data source and the report. Okay. Okay. It will copy all the rows of data with the report only.
Okay.
Okay. Normally, see, when we are connecting to any external data source means we are not going to copy the data. We are just going to read the data.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
But see, if we make like that, right? Every time if end user will open, if he opens the report in web browser, for suppose 1 million, 2 million rows of data is there, right? It will take some time, right? It will take some 5 minutes or 6 minutes to open the report. Until
Yes.
that end user have to wait it. That is not the good practice, right? For
Yeah.
that sake, okay. For that sake, in the TIPCO Spotfire, there is an option called embedded in analysis. Means we are embedding the Spotfire report.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. What it will do is at that time how many rows of data is there, it will read all the rows of data. Okay. Means it will copy all the rows of data and link between the client and the report and the external database will be broken. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. See, just think of now. See, if any new data is added into the external data sources, we cannot see that updated data into the report. Correct, right? Because of the link got broken.
Yes.
At that time,
Yes.
what we'll do is you got it right, Sailesh?
Yes. Yes. Yeah. I'm getting. Yes.
Yeah. Means if any new data is added into the external report, that data we cannot see it right now. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That data we cannot see. Okay. Because the link is not available. At that time, what we'll do is we'll automatically report. For suppose in every day night 1 o'clock 1 a.m. new data is adding into the external database.
Okay.
Okay. At that time, what we'll do is we'll automate the report at 1:15. Every day 1:15 the report will contact the external database. It will pull the new rows of data.
Correct. Yes.
Okay, so that you can see the updated data every time.
Okay. Yeah.
Any doubts, Anish, as of now?
No. No. Look, just give me 1 minute.
Yeah,
The battery is draining out. Just.
yeah.
Yeah. Sorry. Lokesh, can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, Anish. Yeah, I'm able to hear you.
Yeah. Thank you. Go ahead. Yeah, please.
Yeah, so you got it right, complete architecture. We are going to
Yes.
install all these things, Sailesh, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. I'll tell you what this admin part. Okay, I'll share you the original softwares. Okay, which is
Okay.
the latest version, Spotfire 7.0.
Okay.
Okay, please copy it and keep it ready with you. Okay, I'll share you the. I'll share it through Google Drive. Okay, you'll
Okay.
get a link. If you click on that, you can directly download all the softwares. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
we'll try to install. We'll install these all the softwares in your system only. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
you have Windows 7, right?
10. Windows
10.
10.
Okay.
Yeah. That
Okay.
will compatible, right? Okay.
It will work, but sometimes the database will not be compatible. Okay, if
Okay.
possible, can you get Windows 7? No.
I don't think my office laptop has Windows 7, but there I cannot do that. The one which I have is 10.
Oh, okay, okay. Because admin rights won't be available for office laptop. That's the problem.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, we'll try to do it. Not a
Okay.
problem. We'll try to do that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. If you don't need, can you install the software database and like Oracle 11g for Windows 10? Is that possible for you?
Uh, you now or like offline?
Not no. After this, after the class.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I can do that.
Because I have the Oracle database 11G for Windows 7.
Yeah. I'll do that.
Okay.
You'll be sharing, right? You'll share it, right?
Yeah, I'll share you the
Okay.
Windows 7 thing. Okay, is that possible for you to download it for Windows 10 compatible Oracle 11G?
Okay. Yeah. If it is available, I mean, it is available, right?
It is available.
Oh
It
yeah.
it is available.
Sure. Sure. I'll do that. Let me note down. Just a second. I'll make a note of it. Yeah. What you want? Oracle?
11G, 11G.
Okay. I'll do that.
11G Express Edition XE.
Fine. I'll do that.
Okay. This admin part will take 2 days, Sailesh. Okay. It will
Okay.
take 2 days. Okay. By Monday, Tuesday. Okay. Your Monday means my Tuesday morning. Tuesday
Yeah.
morning and Wednesday morning will complete both complete administration. 2 days, 4 hours class. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
I'll ping you my email ID. So in case
Yeah.
like.
I'll share you after end of this class, Sailesh. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
This is the architecture cell. I'm
Yeah.
just showing you the client. Okay, client is nothing but this is the one. Okay, okay,
Okay.
client. Every developer will install the client in their system to develop the reports. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
just
Lokesh, like for installing this developer, do
yeah.
we need anything prerequisite kind of a thing?
No need, no need. That's
No.
it. We need Oracle database. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
that's that's it.
Yeah.
Apart from that, nothing is needed. Okay, the
Okay.
remaining software is everything. I'll share you.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you can see this is the client. See, it's asking for username, password, and the server URL. This is the URL of the server. This is the server URL. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
server URL for this TIPCO Spotfire server. Okay, mainly Salish admin task involves installing of all these complete architecture, complete environment. Okay, first
Okay.
point. Second is adding of users. See, every user need developer access, right? Okay. See,
Yeah.
there are different kinds of users. Some users need developer access. Some users need just to view the report, viewing access. Okay.
Yes.
Only
Yes.
only some developers need some other library access. Okay. And once you save the report, you'll save the report in the database. Okay. The database is nothing but a library.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that library, in the library you'll have different folders. Okay, See, for suppose there are 3 projects. One is the project you are developing. Other two are the projects are from other teams. Okay. Then you don't need access for that other 2 reports. Right? Okay. Other 2 projects. Right? They'll provide you the security. Okay. They'll provide the access to only to that particular folder which you need access. Okay. That is the library administration security permissions for the reports. That will be done by the that is also that will be done by the administrator.
Okay.
And every month we'll get patches released by the TIPCO. Okay, that patches will need to be added by the developer. Sorry, by the administrator to the server. Okay, these are the main task of the administrator. Okay. For development, see, every developer will install the client, okay, like this, okay. Every developer will log in with his name, okay, or with his company ID, okay, to develop the report, okay.
Lokesh, where this, I mean, the username and password will be saved for the users, they'll have some their own LDAP?
Yeah, that I'll cover you complete.
Okay.
In administrator, okay, there are so many things actually. You can save the username and password in the database or through LDAP server. Okay. These are different, and also domain directory. There are so many options while configuring the server and the database. Complete that thing is there. I'll explain you. Okay. So normally Spotfire this complete setting up of the environment is little bit tricky, Sailesh. Okay, and a little bit difficult. That's why there is a complete different role for administrator. That too very good demand is there for administrator currently. Okay. Little bit tricky. I'll explain you. Not a problem. Okay. You can able to see my screen, right? See, this is the client, okay, client window where developers used to develop the reports. Okay. See, mainly 3 steps we need to remember while developing the reports. Okay. First step is to pull the data from different data sources. Okay. So different data. Here data sources in the sense, okay, from Spotfire we can pull the data from, okay, normal txt file, okay, Excel file,
CSV,
yeah, or CSV, okay, or from Oracle database, okay, okay, or from Oracle, okay, or from SQL, okay, anything. These are all called as data sources, okay. We can connect to all the data sources. First step, we will connect to data sources and we'll pull the data. Okay. Second step is to create the visualizations. Okay. Create the visualizations. Okay. Visualizations are nothing but you can able to see it. Table, cross table. Okay. Graphical table. Okay. Bar chart, line chart. Okay. Pie chart, okay, all these are the visualizations. Okay. For each and every visualization I have the POC with me. Okay. I'll explain you once. See, I have the POC, Sailesh. Okay. I'll explain you all these things. Okay. Well, see, there in each POC there is some task. Okay. Task is nothing but a scenario we need to develop. Okay. I'll teach you in this each visualizations. See, bar chart, okay, line chart, graphical table. There are 2-3 tasks. Okay, I'll explain you one task. You can practice other 2 tasks without seeing the development. You can read the task, okay, and you can develop by each one, and you can compare it how you did that. Okay. Yeah. That is the to create the next thing is to create the visualization based upon the requirement. Here, visualizations, each, see, based upon the scenario, we'll have the visualizations. Okay, so we need to create the visualization. See, for some scenarios, suitable scenarios, for some particular situations, there are some particular visualizations we need to use. Okay. If for suppose if you want to compare two different categories, we'll use a bar chart. Okay. If you want to know the sales between grocery and clothing, okay, at that time we'll use bar chart. Okay. You need to compare for which category the sales happened. There was more sales. At that time you'll create bar chart. Okay. Based upon the requirement, there are different different visualizations will use. Okay. Okay. And also Spotfire has so many options like if you pull any table, right, sell it. Okay. For suppose a table has 10 columns. For each and every column, a filter will be created automatically. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And see, you can color the values in a column. Okay. Okay. And there are so many options actually. You can color that options. You can bookmark the page. Okay. You can tag the data table. Okay. There are so many. You can insert rows from one table to another table. Okay. You can insert columns from one table to another table. Okay. All these options are available. I'll explain you each and every option which is available in the Spotfire. Okay. That is create the visualizations. Okay. Based on the situation. Okay. By using all the options. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Third one is simple. Save the report in library. Save the report in library. Okay. Spotfire library. We call it as Spotfire library. Okay.
Okay.
Library. Okay. So that end users can view the report. Okay.
Okay.
And you can save the report in your local as well. Okay. Okay. Okay, Sanjay. If you save it in local means no one can view the report. Only you can open the report.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
First of all, we'll call this as a DXP file. See, if you save any Spotfire report rate cell, okay, it will be saved as a .dxp file. Okay. Okay.
DXP. Okay.
DXP. Yes. Yes. Okay. Normally TXT format is there. Right? It will save as a DXP file. Okay. That's no difference in that. Okay. 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 And yeah. Now see, first step I'll show you, Salish. Okay. Okay. First step I'll show you how to pull the data from TXT file and Excel file. Okay. Okay. And CSV. Okay. Yeah. So once you open this one, you have add data tables button here. Okay. Or else you can go to files and you can see add data tables button here. Okay. Click on add data tables. Okay. So if you have any doubt, please stop me there so that I'll clarify. Okay.
Sure. Sure.
This window will open. Okay. Click on add. Okay. Click on file. Okay. Okay. See, I'm adding data. Okay. Okay. Data. Okay. Which is a TXT file. If I open the data, right? Okay. You can see all the values. Okay. Separated by a space. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, see, first row it will consider as the column name signage. Okay. Okay. First row values. Okay. Okay. Like this. See.
Lokesh, please open that data, please. Data file.
Yeah. Sure. See, actually, this is the file from TXT, not from TXT file. I copied it from Excel file. Okay. That's why.
Okay. Yeah. No, because that's what I said. You said space, right? That is store and space location. So that will be two different columns.
Not accurate. Okay. Yeah. This is not accurate. I'll show you clearly in here. Yeah. Yeah. See, I have persons to data table. Here you have it. Right?
Okay. That's right. Yeah.
Okay. Here you have person ID, name, age, and DOB. Okay. Which is separated by the space characters, everything, values. Okay. These are data row values. Okay. So if same thing if I import it right now, add, okay, file, okay, persons to, okay, I'm adding this, open, okay. So you can able to see the column names here, person ID, name, age, and DOB.
Okay.
Okay. And see, these are the name rows, remaining are data rows. Okay.
Okay. So, Lokesh, like in the file, the one which we imported is the space, but we can have it comma separated. We can have it
No,
uh, pipe separated, right?
yes, yes. See, you can have it. See, Spotfire will automatically read the comma, semicolon, and space. Okay.
Okay.
Apart
Okay.
from that, if anything other is there, you can manually mention that pipeline or anything.
Okay.
Okay. Any hyphen or double quotes or anything if it's there, right? You can manually refer that. Okay.
Okay.
So that
Okay.
it will break down the columns. Okay.
Yeah.
See, it will read all the data. Okay. For suppose if you don't want a DOB column, you can uncheck this. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I am unchecking it. I'm giving OK. Okay. Close. Giving OK. Okay. So it's reading the data from data source. Okay. Okay. Reading data is done. Okay. Configuring the Spotfire document. Just close it. Okay. A page will be created. Okay. 1 second. Yeah, I'll come to this recommended visualization later, Sailesh. Okay, what is this? I'll explain you later. See, now a page will be created. A DXP file contains, Sailesh, a group of pages. Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay. A group of pages. In a page, you can create multiple visualizations. For suppose, if you want to create 2 pages, you can. If you right click on this, a new page will be created. Okay.
Okay.
And suppose in page 3, you want visualizations to be created. Okay. Click on the table, you'll get the table visualization. Got it, Sailesh?
Yeah.
Okay. Just okay. You got it, right? Okay.
Yeah.
You have a table visualization. See, DOB we unselected. We didn't get the DOB. Okay. For suppose you want a bar chart, you can create a bar chart.
Okay.
Okay. In a single page, you can create multiple visualizations. For suppose you want pie chart, you can create a pie chart.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Like this. Okay. Like this, you can create multiple. A single DXP file can have multiple pages. Okay. Like this. Okay. Okay. And a single page can have multiple visualizations. Like this.
Yeah.
Got it right, Spanish?
Yes.
Got it. Yeah. Yeah. This is the pulling the data from the normal TXT file. Okay.
Okay.
I'll show you how to pull the data from Excel file. Okay, Excel or CSV file. Okay.
Okay.
Same way. Click on Add Data Tables. Okay. Click on Add. Okay. Click on File. Okay. Same File. Okay. Here Pages. Okay. I'm having the Pages Excel file. Okay. So I have the 2 sheets, Sailesh, sheet 1 and sheet 2. Okay. Okay, which is having 2 different tables. Okay, in this name, DOB, age, gender, and description. Okay, while importing the Excel file, we can import each sheet at a time. One sheet, one time. Okay. Okay. See, I'm going to that. I'm selecting pages. See, add data tables. Okay, selecting on the file, selecting pages. Okay, give open. Okay, see, it's opening. See, it will ask which sheet to read it, sheet 1 or sheet 2. Okay, I'm adding sheet. Okay, see, ignore empty rows means if any empty rows are there, it will be ignored. Okay. Giving okay. Okay, close. Okay, see, whatever the name it's there, right, Sailesh, that name you will get it as the data table name. Okay, whatever the name it's there for that file, right, that name you can see. Okay. Okay. See, now you want to add sheet 2. Click on again add. Click on file. Okay. Click on pages. Okay. Give open. Okay. Click on sheet 2. Okay. Give okay. Okay. Close. Okay. See, here you'll get it as page 2. The next name. Instead of getting same name, you'll get okay. Like this. How many
transformations are there? Right? Unpivot.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. I'll explain you. There is a transformation called as these things. Okay, cross table, pivoting, unpivot. Okay,
Okay.
there I'll explain
Later.
when to use pivot. Okay,
Okay.
okay, this and all I'll explain you there. Okay, these are very simple.
Yeah.
Got it? You
Yeah.
add it, adding of these two, give okay. If close, okay. Okay, see, you have a table, and here you can select which data table we need it. Okay, pages means you'll
Okay.
get pages. Another
Okay.
table, if you want a pages 2 means you can select pages 2. Okay,
Okay.
like this.